Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to enable sound effect in quick hit slots. If you want to know how you can turn on the sound effect in quick hit slots, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the application on your device. From the home page, tap the gear button at the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the slot music and the lobby music option. If you tap the tick mark, you will then be able to turn on the lobby and slot music. Whereas if you tap on the stop kind of an icon, this will disable the music from your game. All you need to pay attention to is this two options that says lobby music and slot music, and this will turn on and off the music effect on your game. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.